Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a vacuum leak that's under the hood. So this happened the other day when I was removing the fuel rail pressure sensor just as a demonstration video, and it cracked a line because, as you can see, it's very brittle, and they get that way with heat and everything. So anyway, it's very clear where this is, but as you can see, it was kind of in a bad place where a little 90-degree area broke off of it. And so what I did is I took a little knife here and just cut down parallel to where that line is, hoping there was enough hard line left on here that I could stick the hose onto. I then cut going the other way so that I could just unwrap it. And there was a little bit of hose hanging out here still. And so basically what I had to do was remove that little piece, and then I was going to try to just slide the new vacuum tube on. So I went to the parts store, and by the foot you can buy a vacuum hose. So I just bought some different sizes. One went over the piece that I brought in with me. It was really hard to get it over the piece. The other went and slid on it fairly loose, but it would go in. So anyway, my advice is just get a little bit of each. It only cost me $5 for 3 feet of each. And so basically I attached it back onto that plastic hose and just cut at length basically what I needed. You want to make sure you don't cut it too short to where it's barely attaching. You want it to slide onto the old line quite a bit so that it won't come off. I did have to hold it with pliers even here and really push it on to make sure that it got all the way on before I went to attach it to the other one. So this was the smaller hose, as you can see, and it took a little bit of effort to get it over there. But in the end, what I did instead, which you can also do, is buy these little T's, or these little barbed adapters. And so they come in a pack, and so this one basically was just a little bit bigger than that hole, and it worked out so much better just to slide it in after I removed the vacuum hose that was in there. I then attached vacuum hose to the other side, cut it at length, and then just slid it over the hardline vacuum hose that was left. And so this is what it looks like now coming from the fuel rail pressure sensor. I've just added the new hose, and it goes into the new barbed fitting and goes back in. So anyway, very simple way to fix this, and it worked like a charm. So anyway, I would pick up a little package of those little T adapters or barbed adapters. It's always good to have them on hand, and some extra vacuum hose in case something like this happens. It's very inexpensive and a very good thing to have lying around the garage in case you need it if you were to break a hard line like I did. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description where I'll put other videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.